Hi everyone, this is something I need to make a point about. Is Animal Company done? I don't think it is now, but we can make it more powerful. This is due to modders and hackers and everyone. Animal Company, we need to get rid of them because they keep on ruining the game. For example, that if us Animal Company players unite and the modders stop, maybe Animal Company can come back and still be on top. Right now it's going down and plummeting. We need to make this better. We need more updates too. I believe that 1 week, one update every week is perfect, but we need those modders gone, so maybe we need to have modder updates to get rid of them. If I do this.
Where's my game? Frames! The frames are
Anyway, just wanted to make a point.